This alarm clock I got off TikTok Shop has to be one of the coolest clocks I've seen so far. Not only does it have a Bluetooth speaker, but it also has a phone stand, as you can see, and you can also put iPads on this, which is really cool. This thing's also completely wireless, and like I said, it does have a speaker on it, and the speaker is pretty loud.
The only catch is, I'm gonna do everything in my power to...
This is easily one of the coolest alarm clocks I've had. They also have a ton of different colors. If you guys want one for yourself, I'll have a link down below on the left side.